Hello guys, this is How To Weekly, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. There's a few different methods that I'm going to be showing you, but I'm going to start out with the easiest one. Hope you enjoy this video. Starting off with the easiest method, you're only going to need 3 ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of water, some Elmer's school glue, you can use any white glue that you have, and then 1 teaspoon of borax. First thing you're going to want to do is get yourself 1 cup of warm water. Then you're going to want to add your 1 teaspoon of borax to the water and mix it until the borax has dissolved. Once the borax has dissolved, you'll be left with this cloudy solution, and you're going to want to set this to the side for now. This will be your activator solution. Now, you're just going to need to take a bowl, your glue, and you'll need a spatula or something to mix with. I'm just going to eyeball this. You can use whatever amount of glue you want, and you're just going to want to pour some into the bowl. Okay, so now you're going to want to just start adding a teaspoon at a time of your activator solution to the glue. Depending how much glue you use, you may need more or less of the solution, but I'm just going to start with like 2 teaspoons. Just add those in there. And then you're going to want to take a spatula or a spoon or something and just start mixing this. It's going to take some time for this to all start really coming together, but just keep on mixing. And definitely going to need some more. It's starting to get a little clumpy here. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's definitely starting to get a little clumpy. I'm going to add 2 more teaspoons here. And then just keep on mixing this. Keep mixing it. I think we need a little bit more. Just gonna be eyeballing it as you go. There's no like exact set amount. Just keep on adding a bit at a time. You don't want to add too much though. Once it's starting to really come together, you know that you've added enough. Just gonna keep mixing it. I think I just need a little more here. Okay, it's really starting to come together here now, so I think at this point what would be best would be to start using my hands. So it's going to be a little sticky, so I would suggest getting your hands a little wet with this activator solution, because it kind of like helps it not stick to your hands too much. Just going to dip my hands in here a bit. And then I'm going to take the slime out. It's still really soft and slimy. So I think I'm actually going to need to add a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It's really started to come together now. It was getting really stuck to me, so I just needed my partner to give me some help there. But yeah, you just gotta keep on mixing it, and whenever it gets really stuck and it feels like it's getting stuck to you, just gonna have to get a bit more of that activator solution, and it'll just start coming together a lot better. When you're done mixing it, it should look something like this. It should be nice and stretchy and soft. If you want to go one step further though, you can add some food coloring. So I've got some pink food coloring here. I'm just going to flatten out my slime. You won't need much, just like a drop or 2 really, not much. And then we're just going to start folding this in. So here you go guys, now we have some nice pink slime. There's a couple more methods I'm going to show you now. So for the second method, we're still going to need some glue and the activator solution, but this time we're also going to use some shaving foam, some soft clay, and also optional is some food coloring. So to start off, we're just going to add some glue to a bowl. Up to you how much glue you use. And now, we're going to take some shaving foam, shake it up real good. And then we're just going to add a bunch right into here. So the more you use, the more foamy consistency your slime will be. Now we're just going to go ahead and start mixing this together. Okay, so once you've got that nice and well combined, you're going to want to start adding your activator solution into here. Start off with a bit, don't use too much. If you have too much at once, you might make your slime too hard and then you're going to ruin it. So just add a bit and start mixing it together. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just a little more. It's starting to get there though. Once you see the edges of the bowl starting to get, cleaned off, that means that it's really starting to come together and you can start using your hands really soon. Yeah, so I think now's a good time. I think I'm gonna start by getting your hands a little bit wet with the activator solution because that helps keep the slime from sticking to your hands. Now we're gonna take it out of here. And just start using your hands to mix this. Might take a while, but just keep on kneading it, and with some time, it'll start to come together. If you notice that it's getting too stuck to your hands, you might just need to get a little bit more of the activator solution on your hands. So just spend some time now kneading it, adding a little bit of activator solution if you need, but take your time here, just really get it nice and well combined. So once you've spent a good amount of time kneading your slime, it should come together to this really fluffy, bouncy, soft consistency. That's what you want. This is perfect. So at this point, what you can do is take some of that soft clay that I was talking about and just soften it up and mix it together. And I like to make it into a nice flat sheet like this. Flatten it out really good. And once you got it nice and flat, you can add it to your slime. And optionally, if you want to, you can add some food coloring drops here. I'm going to add a little bit of blue food coloring, just like a couple drops. And now you can just start folding this in. Mix it together. Okay, so I spent about 10 minutes kneading this slime together, and oh my, it is so stretchy. Look at that. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!